The signature is active.
The chains are holding, Elias. Keep the momentum steady.
Heavy transporter, we have you on long-range scanners. The intake doors are being prepped at the Iron Forest Shipyard. Watch those ice brittle logs.
Prepare the bay. These logs are brittle until we stabilize them.
Density is optimal. This one will make a fine keel.
Hydraulic vise locked. Centering sequence confirmed. We are ready for the primary cut.
Ready for the first pass. Keep the coolant heaters running.
She's tough today, increasing the torque to compensate. Look at that grain. It's more like stone than timber. Millimeter perfect. Send the next one through.
The automation is responding. It feels the density change before we can even see it.
The pressure is spiking. The frost in these logs is making the machinery work twice as hard.
Temperature is holding steady despite the frost. Internal temperature is holding. We won't see any internal checking.
Blade stress levels are nominal. Keep the feed rate at 40% to protect the frozen fibers.
Load secured.
Locking sequences engaged. Hold that pressure until the joints are perfectly aligned.
Keep the chips clearing. We can't have buildup in the grooves.
Watch the buildup. These resin shards are heavier than they look, and keep those bins clearing.
Slow the retraction. We can't risk heat cracking the interior. Hole depth is perfect. Moving to the next coordinate.
No deviations. The alignment for the steel pins is dead on.
Look at that finish. The cold is making the fibers slice perfectly. Watch the swing on that beam. Bring it down slow. Bring it down. Notch it into the center plate. Lock the pins. That's the first curve of her spine.
Torque reaching levels. Hold the line steady.
It looks like a beast rising from the floor.
Double check the aft supports.
The cold is getting deeper. Even the tools are giving up. Keep the heat focused. We need those fibers flexible for the press.
The internal bracing is key. That's what will fight the pack ice.
Temperature drop confirmed. Exposure initiated.
Keep the pace slow. She's home now. The Arctic can't break her.
Structural integrity is 100%.
Another giant for the ice. Good work, everyone.
Tomorrow, we start the next one.
The Iron Forest never sleeps. You'll lead the way through the ice, girl.
Ensure full saturation. We need the resin deep in the grain.
That's the barrier. Nothing gets through that layer. Make it thick. The pack ice will try to sand it off. Align the rivets. These plates take the first hit.
Reinforcements are secure. She's armored for the flues.
Bilge is airtight. Seal is perfect.
Watch your fingers! Drop it now!
Steering is responsive. She'll turn on a dime in the ice.
Center of gravity is exactly where it needs to be.
We built a legend here today. Clear the lane. Let's move her out. Keep the tension even on the tow lines. The water is waiting.
Go safe, Giant. The ice is yours now.